Hi friend, once again welcome to our online classes. In previous class we have discussed about how are the country's diversity according to their regions, means places. We have discussed about Kerala and Ladakh. You might have seen the video. So how according to their regions they are different from each other. They are both the two places Ladakh and Kerala are different part of our country, but there is some things where is similarity is there. Okay, so we already have discussed about what is and about Ladakh and Kerala. Today we will discuss what is the difference of the Ladakh and Kerala. Okay, so student, we know Ladakh and Kerala, they are in different part of our countries, but both are belongs to our country, but they are situated in different part of our country. Yes or no? Ladakh is mountain area, eastern part of the Jammu Kashmir. Ladakh is situated, but where is Kerala is situated in north of India, and eastern where Kerala is situated, it is southwest of India. It is southwest of India. So we will take difference according to their geography. See, geographical. According to geographical. See how the first we will study about Ladakh. So it is situated. Ladakh is situated north of India, means eastern corner of Jammu and Kashmir. EASTERN, eastern corner of Jammu and Kashmir. But north part of India, where same as according to geographical, same as Kerala. Kerala is situated southwest of India. Southwest of India. See student, we have all discussed about Ladakh and Kerala, how they are different from each other. They are by their religion, by their culture, by their regions, by their environment. So this all we have already discussed. Now we will take some difference, how they are different each other, but after that they are similar. Okay, so this is how our diversity causes due to places, due to religions, due to customs, due to cultures. So this is Ladakh is situated the eastern corner of our Jammu Kashmir, but north part of our India. But Kerala is situated southwest corner of our India. But it is influenced by Ladakh is influenced by Ladakh. It is influenced by China traders. Okay, Chinese traders. But Kerala is influenced by, it is influenced by Arab traders. Then there in Ladakh, cultivated they produces wool, but in Kerala they cultivated different spices. I told you already, different spices: cardamom, cloves, peppers, black peppers, spices. So these are they are different according to their regions, their history. They are different, but some of the things they are as similar. So what they are similar we will discuss. First we know that Ladakh is situated eastern corner of our Jammu Kashmir or north part of our India, whereas Kerala is southwest part of our India. Ladakh is influenced by Chinese traders. See student, they are influenced by Chinese traders. Kerala also influenced by traders, but Arab traders. But they are doing same profession, means they are trading. Both the states are they are trading, influenced by traders, but in different ways. Okay, there produces wool, they are cultivated spices. So both are they are by religion, by regions they are different, but some of the history of regions they are influenced of same things. Thus history and geography are often tied in culture of our life of a regions. After all, some similarity are there. Okay. So here I will tell you, see student, while Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of their geographical feature, the history of both regions has similar culture influence. Similar culture influence. I said you, similar culture influence means both the regions were influenced by the Chinese and Arab. Both the regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. They are also trading. Here also in Ladakh they are also trading wools and something. Here also they are trading different spices. Their different culture is there. There also they are celebrating different culture. Here also in Ladakh also they are celebrating different culture also, which is allowed for the cultivation of spices and special geographical location of Ladakh and its wool that drew traders to these regions. Thus, history and geographical are often tied in the culture of life of a region. That means they are different places, they are belongs to different regions, but after all, there are some certain history and regions, they are influenced by same culture and regions. Like they are same, they are doing trading, but different ways. So these all are the things about difference about Kerala and Ladakh. So the influence of diversity culture is not merely a thing of that past. Our present life also are all about moving from place to place for work. With each move, our culture, traditions and way of life slowly become a part of the new place we are in. It is not only we have discussed also, not only we are going from one place to another place and we are staying, we are living, we are trading in past life. It's present life also we are doing same things. We for our work, for our profession, we are living one place to another place. We are moving one place to another place. So our daily lives are about the way in which we do the things together. Here stories about each other's life, custom and tradition. So this is the all about fact about our traditions and customs. So our country is full of diversity according to our regions, cultures and backgrounds, our economics. So these all things we are different from each other. That means we are celebrating our diversity. How we are different from each other according to our places, dresses or costumes, cultures, any other things. We are different from each other. But after all, we are celebrating our diversity, means our difference, so that we are happily we can live our life. If everything is similar, we cannot live a happy life. So we need a happy life. For that, diversity is very important. Diversity is also needed to our life, and diversity should be added to our life also. So student, I hope everyone clear about Ladakh and Kerala, how Ladakh and Kerala they are different from each other in their according to their places, but after all some by regions, by and by the history, how they are some similar, both are similar each other. So we have studied about our Ladakh and Kerala. I hope everybody clear about it. Everyone cleared how they are, see how they are by geographical, how they are changes. They are eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir, but Kerala is southwest part of our India. They are north part of our India, Ladakh, but Kerala is south part of the India, and it is influenced by Chinese traders, but Kerala is influenced by the Arab traders. But you see here they are also trading, here also they are also trading. Ladakh also they produce wool, they are also cultivated spices, means different way, but similar things are similar. So some of the history of their regions or cultures, they are similar each other. Okay student, I hope everybody understood about. I told you after teaching you Ladakh and Kerala, I will tell you the what is the difference of them. I hope everybody hope, means our after that we will say diversity will gives a beautiful diversity. So diversity gives a beautiful life to us, where all are celebrate in different way. Okay, that means we should be celebrate our diversity in different way. So understood? So I hope everybody understood clearly. Thank you student, and you have to read the books 2-3 times and watch the video all clearly, and whatever notes I given, you write down on your notebook, watch the video carefully, fully you have to watch, and subscribe the channel and share the channel, then you will get all the videos from me. Thank you students, take care.